Hey YouTube, Tony here, and we're at the cabin up in Templeton, and I'll give you guys a quick show of what's happened last time the video was posted. So it's Sunday, February 12th, and we're expected up here to get probably close to 2 feet of snow from the snow belt. In Connecticut, we're getting close to, I think, like 6 to 8 inches. So here we'll show you. First, we're going to go to the basement. I'll show you guys the water softener, which was installed. So here we have a Fleck 5600 valved water softener. We did have iron issues where if you let the water sit for like about a week, you actually saw the red staining. We do have a whole house filter installed, and I think you guys did see the valve or the filter assembly. So that's the whole house filter. I believe it's like a 10 or 11 inch cartridge. One of the things that we did was we put the brine tank on wheels, made a little tiny 3/4 inch thick plate with 6 casters underneath it so we can move it around if we have to. So anyway, so the water softener did take care of the iron in the water with what we had, and also got rid of the smell / taste. My wife refers to it as kind of like a blood taste, which she hated. So that did take care of that. So happy that got installed. And here on the panel, we got a GE panel, and we installed a GE Surgepro surge protector device or slot 2 and 4. It's got to be closest to the neutral bar, and this panel, the neutral bar is on the right, so that's how that got installed. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like relabel the right side, what I do with the left. That way I can quickly identify where I have to go to a chart. So that's that. And now we'll go to the bathroom. And last I showed you guys the counter was just the frame that Larry had built for the exhaust fan for the bathroom. So it has since been installed. We have not vented it out. So that's what it looks like. That's what the 2x6, I believe, we made that frame out of, Larry made out of. And we bolted it right to the ceiling. This is a Nutone, really quiet fan. Like really impressed. That's it. I don't know if you can hear that, but all you hear is just the air coming out. The reason we want to make sure, because this got directly bolted to the floor, ceiling in here, floor up top. I didn't want any vibration coming through. So that's what it looks like. There is a equivalent of a 100 watt LED in there. We did it at 60. It just didn't throw enough light. So the 100 watt LED equivalent definitely made a big difference. So I think you guys saw the lights here. So, all right, now let's go top side. I'll show you guys the floorboards that Larry and I had made, and these came out really awesome. But first, what I'll do is I'll show you guys the corner pieces. So we had made those last week, or last video. You guys saw the just a frame. So that's actually what the pieces look like. So they're fully profiled, both sides, up against the logs and that. And this trough here to the right, that is removable. Actually, all these are. But you remove this piece, and then you're able to actually pull this corner piece out should you need to, because we do have a 1.5 inch pipe that goes from here all the way to the basement, and that's our quick way to run feeds down here. So here you're looking at the trough. It's 1x5 and 1x3 3/4 inch pine that we had run through the planer to thin out, and also glued and nailed together. So, and that's actually the way that we're going to run our electrical, because there's no other way of doing it. Because electrical, for people who have built log cabins, if you don't do the wiring in the logs while you're stacking them, there's really no way of doing it unless you use wire mold on the outside, which doesn't look that good. But here you have on the front side of the house, we have this where it's profiled. Now it's still loose, so this will got to be pulled off, so that will fit, and this got to go forward a little more. But this trough here, for instance, this one's got the floor's got a dip in it. So I'm going to make a filler board, probably close to 3/4 inch. I'll take a 12-foot board, profile it, glue and nail it from the underside, so that way this will be sitting flat, kind of like the way it is now. That 2x4 right there is holding it in place. So I'll fill that gap in, make it look all nicey nice. Here's our corner. That's what that looks like. and this is the other piece along the side wall, notch right there, and the wiring is going to go right through. So, and here we have the other corner piece. I mean, they're pretty much both the same. You can see at the top the 2 screws that hold it in place, and that's the only thing that holds it in place. The boxes hold the bottom in, so should you want to remove one side, you can slide it out and have access to the corners. This is actually where our vent pipe is as well, if you saw the earlier video. And that's it. So that's the trough that runs through. This is the closet area. Here we have wire mold, and that's it, guys. More videos coming, and thanks for watching.